Hi there, my name is Emily. This is my dog Charlie. Today we are going to practice a short and sweet yoga practice to down-regulate the nervous system and promote reduction in stress. You don't need anything fancy. If you have a yoga mat, you can use that. If you would like to practice this entire practice in the chair, please feel free to do so. We will be practicing seated stretches only. I'm going to meet you back here and we're going to get started. So begin in an easy seat, we call Sukhasana. You could have the legs crossed if you are seated on the floor. If you're seated in a chair, just place the feet evenly onto the earth. And start to connect here, connecting the breath and the body. Maybe close down the shades of the eyes or just soften your gaze past the tip of your nose. And be here now. Be here fully present in this moment. Just notice what you notice as you come here to ground and center. Taking this opportunity to slow things down, practicing self-care and self-compassion. And just listen. Listening to any thoughts that might arise. Listen to any sounds within your space. Notice maybe the temperature of your skin. Notice where the body connects with the earth or your cushion. And bring some gentle awareness to your breath. Begin by noticing where your breath is sitting today. And of course, there's no right or wrong. Just bringing that awareness to your breath. Notice if the breath is high in the chest or lower in the belly. And sit with that breath for a couple rounds, just noticing the inhales and the exhales as they flow in and out. No need to change anything, just notice and breathe. And when you're ready, if your eyes were closed, I invite you to open them. We'll start some gentle movements here, and they don't have to be big shapes, just take what you need here. We'll start with an angel breath, drop the hands by the sides, inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale, soften and release, lower it down. Let's involve this into a twist, inhale, sweep the arms high. Twist over to one side, dropping opposite hand to opposite knee, maybe look over opposite shoulder. Take an in breath, sweep it high to the sky. Your shape's not mine. Exhale, lower down. Just going at your pace, your range of motion. Inhale, sweep up. And exhale, release and twist to the other side. Again, inhale. And exhale. And one more time on each side. Inhale. And exhale. And this time, inhale. Both arms reach high to the sky. You can interlace the fingers here, maybe take steeple position, and then just fold over to one side. See what that feels like. Side body stretch, rise up, other side. Break free, come back to center, break free, maybe flutter those fingers down, interlace the hands behind the back, pull the elbows down as you lift the gaze. Let that go, shake it out. Nice job. And from here, let's take some Sufi grind. So we're going to circle the heart around, really root through your sits bones, see where they connect with the earth or your cushion. And then circle the heart a little bit. And sometimes I like to rush these, not intentionally, but I catch myself. But today I'm trying to slow it down, just seeing these yummy movements of the spine. And just noticing here. Again, being fully present in your body, in your breath. This is your time to focus on you. And the past does not matter right now. The future will come in due time, so no rush there. When you're ready, you can reverse. And again, take your time, finding yummy shapes. Thinking of this beautiful architecture of your back body, your spinal column. Rotating. See what feels good. For 3, 2, one. And back to center, back to stillness. Here we are. Go ahead and drop the hands to the lap. Palms can face up if you'd like. You can take wisdom seal, index finger and thumb, drop down. Maybe close down the eyes. And we'll come to a moment here to rest on the breath. We won't be here long, just notice now, watching the breath again. Being present, being kind in your thoughts. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, but here and now. And when you're ready, gently open the eyes. If you'd like, you can place the hands together and drop the chin to the chest, a bow of gratitude for yourself for showing up for your practice today. And give thanks for this practice. And give thanks for this breath. Thank you so much for practicing self-care with me today. A little bit really goes a long way, so if you practice this just a few times a week, this can really help regulate your nervous system, down-regulate stress, and promote all overall health improvements. If we've not met yet, I'm Emily, a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, a wellness professional. I create videos here on YouTube to help you respond positively to stressors and help you live your best life at any age, any season of life. You can check out more on my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. Over there, you can grab your gentle stride guide. This is a beginner's guide to home walking. That's another thing I teach here online, and in this you'll find some tips and tools to help you get started in your fitness journey at home. I create new videos about once a week or a couple times a week, so please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you again in a couple days. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.